If you've been scrolling through social media or browsing for cheap fashion online, there's a good chance you've come across Pingubuy, an e-commerce platform that promises trendy items like t-shirts, hoodies, and more, all shipped internationally straight from Chinese stores. The deals look tempting, the prices are low, and the site gives off a clean, modern vibe, but is Pingubuy actually legit, or is it just another scam waiting to trap unsuspecting shoppers? When you start digging a little deeper, things get murky. The domain was registered fairly recently, and there's minimal information about the company behind the platform, which makes it hard to build trust. The website design feels like a copy-paste job from other dropshipping platforms, lacking genuine transparency or solid customer service options. Some of the promises like fast shipping and quality products don't always hold up in reality. According to multiple user experiences on Trustpilot and Reddit, some customers did receive their products, though with long delays, while others faced complete silence after placing orders. There are also concerns about the quality of the items, with reports of products arriving looking very different from what was advertised. Overall, Pingubuy sits in a gray area. It's not necessarily a straight-up scam, but there are enough red flags that it may not be the safest bet for your money either. So if you're thinking about ordering, it might be worth pausing and doing your own research before jumping in.